Helena here. This is day 2 of my 30-day calisthenic challenge. As you've probably seen from day 1, I now know what my baseline level of fitness and strength is, so I'm going to work from that. And today I'm going to start off by doing some floor exercises. So some press-ups, some stomach exercises and some tricep dips. And my agenda for today is to use my gym boss and just do a little bit of a circuit at 1 minute times. So let's get started. It's getting a bit difficult now, so I'm going to make it a bit easier for myself, see how many I can do in 1 minute. Whew! I'm fatiguing already. That's my tricep dips done. I'm going to do some leg extensions for my abs now. Those leg extensions, that's like the beginner stage. Obviously if your abs are stronger, you'd have straight legs when you're doing those. So that's 3 press-ups. I've got my knees done now. Cool. So that's everything I'm going to be doing down here. So bear with me, I'll just get the camera angle changed and I'll see you on the parallel bars. So I'm like halfway through another minute now, so I'm just going to wait until the beep goes off again. I can have another full minute of my next exercise. After my day 1 yesterday, I was actually quite sore in the evening, and this morning I was pretty sore, so I think I'm going to start stretching out every night before bed. Make sure my muscles are getting a bit of a stretch. I can relax a bit more then. my arms are really starting to hurt now. Don't know if you can hear, I'm starting to get really out of breath now. This is brilliant exercise, definitely. Woo! Woo! This is really, really tiring. Oh my god. I feel like I need to stretch out already. So we're 10 minutes in, got a few more exercises I want to do. I've now started to sweat, I don't know if you can see from there, and it's a really good workout, I'm impressed. Just noticed, because I'm starting to sweat a bit, I haven't got my gloves on today. Oh no. But actually it's a bit nicer. Get to feel the equipment a bit better. arms are on fire. See? Feel ripped already. This bicep. I think I should copy Michael and use some shin pads. It's like really bad on your shins. I'll show you later, I've got a little dint and everything. It's a proper hardcore ab workout, that one. That's really hard. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm actually trying to hold it for as long as I can, which I think is about 2 or 3 seconds. I'm not meant to be doing I'm meant to just be lying back and holding it, but my abs aren't that good yet. I'm just using this just to, so when I move over to the pull-up bar, I can just get used to the feel of weighting down on your shoulders and the gripping. So this isn't an exercise as such, it's just getting my body ready. It doesn't look like much, but this aches quite a lot. Now 17 minutes of exercises I've done. I call that a day. I feel pooped. I had a really good workout. I noticed yesterday from my little video, a little bit of a belly, which isn't great. So hopefully by the end of this 30-day challenge I have a nice six-pack to show you guys. But also, you know, they say abs are made in the kitchen, so I'll be making sure I'm eating all the right things. Some of you might know I'm a vegan, follow Raw Till 4 diet. So that was quite recent. I only started that a few months back, and I've already lost about 6 or 7 pounds off that. So hopefully a mixture of this calisthenics and my my Raw Till 4 vegan eating will hopefully give me a nice six-pack. So stay tuned, and tomorrow I'll be posting up day 3 of my 30-day calisthenic challenge. So I'll see you then.
As always, folks, take some time to click the links. Find us on social media, and thanks for watching.